this book may be of interest to researchers who want to generate transformation in their territory through research projects, which could be based on action research or any other methodological approach in order to generate transformation. But anyway, we also think that policymakers, students, or any other territorial actor who can be interested on understanding how to facilitate territorial development processes can find interesting insights in this book. The chapters and the contributions are based in real transformation processes, and this makes these insights even more relevant.
Well, the book is written by the research community that contributes to the conceptual development of action research for territorial development, a methodological approach that was born in Orkestra and has developed in collaboration with the Praxis Institute of the Universidad Tecnológica Nacional Rafaela in Argentina. And the idea of writing the book actually comes up when our community suddenly grows. First, because we welcomed a group of young people who had just done a training process on participatory and transformative research, and were actually doing their PhD dissertations using action research for territorial development. And also because we also welcomed researchers from our international networks, especially people from Praxis. So the book reflects this intergenerational and multicultural characteristics that our research community has acquired over the past years.
The book is composed by two parts. In the first part, we can find chapters from people that was already part of the community of action research for territorial development and has contributions in previous publications. Okay? And in the second part, we can find chapters from new generation of action researchers who recently joined the community. Who are on the one side the young researchers from Orkestra mentioned by Patricia, and also two researchers from Praxis Institute in Rafaela, Argentina. We think that this division of parts and people will not be repeated in next publications, but we thought that it was important to highlight it in this book as it shows in a more clear way the intergenerational character of our community.
Well, it was overall a dialogical process that nurtured our research community by incorporating more diversity. As editors, we had to work with this diversity, not only in terms of the different cultural contexts on which many of the chapters are based, but also when some of the authors wanted to experiment with new and innovative forms of expression. And it was also a collective learning process because we shared the different drafts of the chapters in Subiginsa. These are the workshops where we meet every month as a research community to talk about different aspects of our research projects. So being able to bring the chapters to Subiginsa and receive comments from the group, criticism, and so on, allowed us all to play that role of critical friend. And I think that was very important because in practice, it contributed to strengthen our research community.